Hi everyone, if you're running low on space or just want your Windows PC to run a little faster and smoother, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change 5 simple Windows settings that will help you maximize your storage and make your computer more efficient, without deleting your important files manually every time. Let's get started. First, turn on Storage Sense to automatically manage drive space. Windows builds up a lot of junk over time. Temporary files, old downloads, things in the recycle bin you forgot about. Instead of cleaning this up manually, Storage Sense can do it all for you. To enable it, press the Windows key plus I to open Settings. Then go to System and click Storage. Now scroll to the Storage Management section and turn on Storage Sense if it's not already enabled. Next, click on Storage Sense to open its settings. Here, you can set it to run on a schedule, like every week, and choose how often it clears the Downloads folder or empties the recycle bin. This keeps your storage clean without lifting a finger. Second, change where your files are saved by default. If your C drive is getting full, you can automatically save new files to another drive, like D, to spread out the storage load. To do this, press Windows key plus E to open File Explorer. Right-click on a folder like Downloads or Videos in the Quick Access section. Click on Properties, then go to the Location tab. Click Move and choose a new folder on another drive. You can even create one with the same name. Click Apply, and when prompted, select Yes to move existing files. Now all files will go directly to the new location going forward. Third, disable hibernation to clear up hidden storage. The hibernation feature can take up several gigabytes with a hidden file called hyberfill.sys, and many people never use hibernation anyway. To turn it off, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type this command, power cfg-h off, then press Enter. That's it. Hibernation is disabled and the large system file is deleted. If you ever want to bring it back, just use this command. Power cfg-h on fourth, reduce how much space System Restore uses. System Restore is helpful, but it can quietly take up to 10% of your drive. That's over 25 gigabytes on a 256 gigabyte drive. To lower it, press Windows key plus S and search for System Restore. Click on Create a Restore Point. In the System Protection tab, choose the drive and click Configure. Now drag the max usage slider to the left to reduce the amount of space it can use. Around 1 to 2% should be enough in most cases. These quick setting changes can free up a surprising amount of space on your Windows 11 PC, and you won't have to constantly worry about running out of storage. Whether you're using a small SSD or just want better performance, every gigabyte counts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more PC optimization tips on the channel.